Hey, if you guys like jewelry inspiration and craft making and some great shopping hauls and some paper crafting, card making, things like that, make sure you hit like and subscribe and hit the little bell on the side so you don't miss anything. I'm going to try to use the scalloped edge card. This is a 5x7. So I had an idea that I'm going to try to scallop the edges of the paper of this gold cardstock. Okay, so we're going to see how this is going to look. See if it'll give it some interest. I'm gonna make it kind of small, but it might work for what we're trying to do. Or layering. Oh yeah, there you go. Let's see. I can definitely cut it down, huh? I don't cut as well as I would like, but definitely adds interest to your project for sure. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, cute. All right, so that's cute. I'm going to clean up the edges a little bit, but oh yeah, that'll work. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use one of the big ones, the big toppers. I've been looking at this one. This is beautiful, this one. So I'm gonna use this one. All right, and I'm not sure what sentiment we're gonna use, but I need another piece of paper too. I don't know, there's so many nice ones on here. I don't know what to use. Let's see. Okay, now we got duplicates here. And this is such a big topper that I want to use something kind of small, but you still gotta be able to see it, you know? I did sending lots of love already. Let's see, hugs and kisses, thinking of you. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Thinking of you. Yay! Let's see, thinking of you. Cute. That we love. I'm just gonna pop it out. I love that. So, thinking of you card. Yay. You know, got our toppers. Let's get some paper. What kind of paper do we want? We want, ooh, that's pretty. Huh. Was that pretty? Is it? Is it odd? I think I want a colored background. Let's try to choose another one. Since we chose the, oh, this is pretty. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. That's the one. Thinking of you. Okay, that's the one. Oh yeah, there you go. Let's see, put it in there. Okay. All right. We got our corners cut. Having technical problems. Okay, so I chose this one. Beautiful. I'm gonna layer it with our gold scalloped edged paper. We're gonna use our beautiful topper here and our thinking of you, which we love. Don't we love that? And then we're gonna use some flowers and a few embellishments and call it a day. All right, because I really want to use as much of this as I can, because you can always use this with other things as well. So, you know, you don't have to use everything at once. But, you know, you can put them on cards and all kinds of stuff, right? Like I said before. So, let's go ahead and knock this out really quick and get her done. I want you to see some beautiful cards, and I wanted you to do different styles because there's so many ways to do cards, guys. Like so many layouts and, you know, all kinds of stuff that you can use to put on make your cards so beautiful. So definitely stretch your imagination when making your cards, because it can make them so much more interesting. I see cards, and sometimes people make them kind of plain, but some people like plain cards, and that's perfectly fine. If you're one of those folks, then hey, good for you. But I like mine, you know, jazzed, extra jazzed. Because I want the person to look at it and go, wow, you know? Go, oh my God, like the card is the gift. Okay, so we're gonna put glue on our paper. And making sure it's straight. I probably should open up the card just to make sure that it's good to go. Move it over just a little bit. There we go. Make sure it's good to go. Put some tape on our top or layer here. Okay, we're layering our second piece here, a gold piece that we scalloped, which I think is interesting. We'll see how it looks. You know, sometimes you start out, we have this great idea to do something, and you start out and you're like, ooh, I'm not sure. So, we're going to try to make it cute regardless. Yeah, let's see, I like that. That's nice. You know, that's beautiful. I love this big topper. That's so pretty. Well, that's beautiful. You can always do this like this too. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty, huh? I think I like it like that. What do you think? Yeah? Yeah, I like it like that. Well, not crooked, but I like it like that. So that's what we're going to do. All right? Okay, I'm just using this tape that I said I didn't like because I don't want to throw it away because I feel like it would be wasteful. So I'm just going to go ahead and use it and make it work. Use it up, and then I'm not going to probably buy any more. Although, you know, for little inexpensive projects, it's not too bad. So, all right, so how are we going to do with this one like this? Have it kind of down a little bit. Like that. That's pretty. Make sure it's not crooked. Does it look crooked? A little bit. Oh, there we go. All right, I love. Look at that. How pretty. That's beautiful. Wow. Like a beautiful window. Yeah, so we're going to use some of this other one, though, for this, which I am going to have to cut into little strips. I like to use this stuff up to just cut it up and then move on to the next thing that I'm going to use, you know. And I think I'm going to, well, if I get the tape on there. There we go. Let's see, move those out of the way. I think I'm going to put that one. See, I did that one last time, huh? Oh, no, I like it. That's pretty. Oh, I like that. I like that. I like that better. Let's see. Not to cover up our little butterfly friend here. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow. That's beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. We haven't even embellished it yet. No, we haven't. So, let's see. What kind of embellishments we have? Oh, like these. Oh, don't we love? Don't we love? I love it. Love it. Love it. Okay, we're using it. Since I put it together, I was like, oh, yes, I love it. This is a beautiful card. My goodness. Very pretty. Wow. Let me see which side I want to use this one. So I'm just going to layer these flowers and make them look 3D and put them on a card. So this is, like I said, making cards can be easy. It's just your layout that's tough because you gotta, you know, put everything together. Okay. All right, let's put these two. See how I put those two together like that? Just layer them so they can look. Yeah, there you go. Well, not supposed to stick together like that, but yeah, perfect. Perfect, perfect. All right, then put some on the back. And we should be good to go. Oh, I love that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. All right, time for another glue stick. It does run out of glue quickly. So those of you who bought this gun, this is how it works. We can't be putting it over our card. We don't want it to drip on our card. I love this already, just like that. But, you know, we can't leave it like that, right? Okay. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Should we add more butterflies? You know I say yes. I mean, why not? They gave them to us. Why not? Right? I mean, they gave them to us. Oh, how about a flower? And you can do a flower right there. Oh, that's cute. I like that. A flower right there. Oh, this one's gorgeous. And then this one. Yep, we're going to use up our butterflies. Sorry, I'm using more butterflies, guys. I love butterflies. They're so pretty. So we're going to put him up here. All right. Put him right there in the corner. And then put our little, one of these, our little sticky thumbs here. Matter of fact, let me see. Is this too big? Might be, huh? No, perfect. Perfect size. Yep, so it can stand out. Put some little glue on that. And make it sure it sticks right here. I love. What we love. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. And this card number 3. Just about done. Whew. Wow. We still got enough stuff to make, I don't know how many cards. It says it makes 32 cards, so we got plenty of stuff. Let's do petal pink. Yes? Okay. We'll do petal pink. Of course, on a little frame. Oh, you know what? Sorry, I'm changing my mind. Let's do gold on him. His little head. Oh, yeah, there you go. And then we're going to do blush pink for a little flower here. Okay. Got that. And then we're going to do just a few dabs of mint green. On here. Beautiful. I don't even think I want to put any on the gold, to be honest. Yeah. I don't think so. I like it like that, although it would do it, zhuzh it up, huh? Let's see. I think I'm going to do the dark pink on the gold if I do that. There you go. Just a few. Not too many. And remember, don't touch it like I did. Because you touch it, you mess it up. Okay? You touch it, you mess it up. Alright. Oh, that's so pretty. Beautiful. And you know what? I think I'm going to do some mint green on here. I'm going to do it right there on the edge there. Beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's done. I think I'm going to leave it just like that. Or am I? Wait. wait. One more here. Okay. Yep. Now I'm done. Okay. I'm done. Done and done. All right. We're done. All right, guys. We did 3 beautiful cards from our Floribunda collection, luxury card collection by Hunky Dory. I love this. Oh my God. Guys, this is such a great collection, right? Beautiful. I mean, you can add your own stuff. You can use what's in the collection. You can make a ton of stuff. I'm gonna do some bags, and I think I'm gonna do a few tags. So stay tuned for that video to follow. All right. That's beautiful. Yes. Let's see. Let's get the other ones. Try not to touch it, Stephanie. There we go. And here we go. Aren't these beautiful, guys? So this is our first one that we made. Absolutely gorgeous. Love. Beautiful layered card. Still got to go through and take some of the strings off. But other than that, it's beautiful. Okay. This is number 2. Got to straighten out my little thing there. But yes, beautiful. Yeah, we always got to clean it up after. But beautiful. We love. Look at that. So pretty. It's a happy birthday. And then this one is thinking of you. So pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Don't we love? Yes, and they all have butterflies. Sorry, I had to use the butterflies. Butterflies and flowers. That's what we love. Okay? All right. Well, I'm so glad you joined me for this fun tutorial for the Floribunda by Hunky Dory Luxury Card Collection. I actually bought this. I'm not affiliated with them or anything. I just wanted to share it because I thought it was such a beautiful collection. So I will leave some links below, and you can check it out if you're interested. All right. And stay tuned for some other videos based on this kit. I'm going to try to do some bags and a few tags, and we'll see what else I can come up with, okay? So I thank you for joining me, and make sure you hit like and subscribe, and share this video if you want to, and I will catch you next time. Ciao.